Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm on the James River on Highway 125, and it's just south of Stratford, Missouri, over here by the bridge. And I fished this last year, and it's got some good holes here, and I did pretty good. We're gonna head this way up north and check that out. See if we can catch any smallmouth. It's fall right now, and today's supposed to be pretty warm, so I think high in the 90s, and I'm hoping that the bass are feeding for fall. Last week I went on the Jack Fork and I didn't do too hot. I caught 3 small ones, and that was about it. So hopefully my luck will be better today. Gonna start out with the classic MEPS as I wade this shallow water. And as I get to the holes, I'll switch up to a crawl and see if they're hitting the crawl. But I'm hoping it's a good day, and let's get at it. Well, been walking for a little bit, and I found my first stretch of a wide little hole. I don't know how deep it is. It might be 2 or 3 feet at best. But it is beautiful. You can see it's fall, the leaves are falling. I've got some overhanging trees on both sides. In this part of the river, it's nice to wade because these trees protect you from the sun. And I'm gonna see if I can catch something. Still a little early. Maybe I can get a smallmouth out of here. Water don't feel too bad so far. Caught me a leaf already. Thought about using a top water, but I don't know. First fish of the day. It's got a goggle eye. He's not too bad. So I'm about 20 minutes in, caught him on the MEPS. Let's let him go. Might be another one in here. No smallmouth. I've had a couple sunfish. I got another one. What is it? Another goggle eye. All right, we'll take it. That's 2. He's a little bit better. Let's take a look at him. Let's put him back in. He's a little fatty. Just got one on. Oh, he jumped. That's good. There he is. He jumped for the channel. Thank you, buddy. He's a small one. Got him on the MEPS, but so that's 3 fish in about 30 minutes. Let's take a look at him. I got to be gentle when I take these hooks out of the fish. I don't want to draw blood or hurt them. I don't want to make the animal people mad. So he's probably 6 inches. Let's put him in there gently and let him get some water in him. I'll watch him go. Got him right here. So the MEPS is doing good so far. Just got another fish. Don't know what it is. Oh, it's a goggle eye. So, little one. So I'm not doing too bad. 4 fish, they're nothing to brag about. 4 goggle eye and 1 little smallmouth. And I'm in about 40 minutes, so 1 fish every 10 minutes. Just switched up to a crawl, and I got me a little shiner. Little sucker. Oh man, I got him good. Shoot. Let's get him in there. Fish, caught him in that hole. So I switched to the crevice crawl. These little creek chubs hitting it. Trying to get it right by that log, maybe get a bass out of there. There we go. Got something. Oh, we got off. He was a little one. Finally got one. There we go. Oh man. What do I got? Smallmouth. Got him on the crawl and he got off. We'll count him. We'll count him. I was playing around with him too much, trying to get him on camera, but look, come on, take it. Got him. Got him. He's a good one. Don't go on me now. Got him. Well, he's not a good one, but we'll take him. He's smallmouth on the Bubba Red. All right. There we go. Let's try it again. Got another one. Right here. Perfect. Starting to warm up a little bit, so it's getting a little bit better. Caught him in this shallow. It took a bit because he didn't want to take it. He's probably... Guys, is he a big un or not? I don't think so. But he's fun to catch. Let's let him back in. It's got another one. And he's a tiny one. Caught him right here after I waded that hole. Just got another fish right here. The old pumpkin seed. So first sunfish of the day. Let's take a look at him. Oh man, he got off. There he is. Very tiny. Pretty sunfish though. Let's get him back. Just got one. Got him right here. Little smallmouth. Another smallmouth. It's about 8. I've been catching a lot of little ones, but caught him in this little pool right here. Let's let him go. Got a copperhead straight ahead of me. I don't know if you can see him. Get a little bit closer without getting bit. And he's just got his head poking out of the water. Getting some sun. And I'm going to leave him alone. I don't think he's going to let me get any closer. He's right there.
can see him. And he's heading back into the weeds. Just got a good one. Yeah. Maybe the best one of the day, but we'll take him. All right. It's another one. Tiny one, but I caught him right in that hole. So there we go. Nice little surprise. It's got another one right here. What do we got? Another sunfish. It's been a multi-species today. Goggle eye, smallmouth. I think we got a creek chub. And we got another pumpkin sudfish, but he don't want to open his mouth. Let's get him. Finally done for today. And it wasn't too bad of a day. I caught a bunch of multi-species, nothing big smallmouth. I think the biggest one might have been 10 inches, and I had that 12-inch that got off, if he was even that. But I caught some goggle eye. I caught some sunfish too, and I caught them on the Bubba Red Crawl. I caught a couple on the Meps at the beginning. Fall's here, the leaves are falling. It was just a gorgeous day fishing here on the James River. No complaints. Caught some fish and it was a good day. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good day.